India's very own Sangram Singh, a name that needs no introduction in the world of wrestling and MMA. Everyone, so now um, I would like to invite on the here. Um, Now it's time to hear from the visionary behind Level Fight League, the man who is breezing continues through combat sports. Please welcome the president of Levels Fight League, Mr. Donovan James Alexander. So please come here and have a seat. Thank you so much. And now everyone, Mr. Chakir Ansari, the Olympian from France, he is an MMA fighter and a coach. Would like to request you please come here and join us. Alright everyone, और अब जिस पल का हम सबको इंतजार था, definitely I'm talking about the warrior, the role model, the pride of India. Please welcome on the stage our very own Sangram Singh ji. So please join us. We are very proud on yourself, sir. हमें फ़ख्र है आप पर. We are very honored to witness your next chapter begin with Levels Fight League. And now everyone, अभी मैं बुलाना चाहती हूँ Mr. भूपेश कुमार को. So please come here and join us. Have a seat. The international coach और संग्राम सर के कोच हैं. पिछले 20 साल से उन्होंने सिखाया है. और सिर्फ संग्राम सर ही नहीं, ऐसे बहुत सारे मेल एंड फीमेल चैम्पियंस हैं हिंदुस्तान के जिनको भूपेश सर ने ट्रेन किया है. सो थैंक यू सो मच भूपेश सर फॉर गिविंग अस द चैम्पियंस. थैंक यू. And definitely now this is the time for to thank our sponsors. Everyone would like to thank Phenolux Pipes and Fittings, and also Mukul Madhav Foundation, Onyx Properties, Fit India, Sports Zone, Game On, Global and Heritage. Thank you so much आज के हमारी इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस को और हमारी जो लीग है उसको सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए, और आप बनाएंगे आगे भी, उसमें आपका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. We are really grateful for that. And now would like to request Mr. Donovan sir. Yeah. To our sponsors, please come here and join us on the seat. मैं फिर से एक बारी आपके names बता देती हूँ from the Phenolux. So please come here and join us. The member from Fit India, please come here and join us. And also Onyx Properties से यहाँ पर अगर कोई है तो please. He's coming? Okay, ठीक है. He's coming. And Sports Zone से if is there anyone, please come here and join us from the Sports Zone. They're on the way. Okay. Hendrik say yes. All right. And from the global, anyone from the global? Global से नहीं है. Okay. ठीक है. So the rest people are on the way.